Shawty, you get the best of me. Whatever is left of stress enough.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Remy Forte. I've never collaborated with them before, but I really wanted to come and show you guys this wig because it's actually a full lace wig. The lace is super thin, it comes pre-highlighted, and I'm going to show you how I did these big bombshell curls and just this natural hairline. I'm loving this wig, so if you want to see how I got this look, let's get right into this video. Starting off using my Sea Breeze sensitive skin, I'm going to wipe my skin down before I put on my skin protectant. So I'm using the skin protectant and I'm going to spray it all over my hairline. You can use any skin protectant of your choice. This is the packaging that the wig came in. It just came with the wig and a wig cap, which is fine by me, but yeah. So this is how it looks. It just comes like that, and then a wig cap. And this is a full lace 22-inch, I believe. This is the inside, so you can see the full lace area, and it comes with 4 combs. This was the hairline, so I had to go in and bleach it, which was a little disappointing, but I still, because I was planning to put it on this day, but then I had to bleach it and stuff that day. So you can see the hairline, and then when I went in and bleached it, it's going to get rid of all of those black dots. Because if I installed it looking like this, it was going to look crazy, so I had to bleach and pluck it, but it turned out good, as you can see in the beginning of the video. So I'm just showing you how it's looking all around before I go ahead and bleach it. And I'm going to cut down some of this lace before I start my bleaching process. I'm cutting around the ear and around the back. And I'm just trimming the front just a little bit because I need some lace to be able to hold on to once I'm ready to install. I'm using Quick Blue in 30 volume. I left it on for about 45 minutes. And I put this plastic bag on the inside of the wig like this once it was processing. So yeah, I hope you understand what I did. So once I bleached it, this is how it looks. I did over bleach it just a tiny bit, but you can see a total difference from what I just showed you and this. This is going to melt into the skin properly. And now we're ready to install. So I end up taking out the combs because I wanted this to fit very comfortable, because I was going to leave it on my head for like 2 days or so. I'm going in with my number 15 Ruby Kisses, putting that directly onto my head. And then I'm just, checking it out to see how it looks. You can see my little over bleach sections, but it looks really, really good. Okay, so you don't have to worry. And then I had to do a little bit of fixing up. So I went ahead and fixed up around my ears because the lace was not laying properly around my ear. And now it is. So now I'm going to peel back that lace and I'm going to start wiping my skin down with my same Sea Breeze sensitive skin, just to make sure that it's nice and clean. But I didn't want to use alcohol because I don't want my skin to be dry. I'm going in with the skin protectant to protect my skin from my hairspray. And then I sprayed some hairspray. I sprayed this about 4 times, making sure that it's tacky in between. And then I'm going to just press this in, make sure that it is on right, because if it's not, it's going to look crooked on your head. So just make sure you have the middle. Once the middle is on perfectly, then the sides are just easy. And then I blow dry one side at a time, making sure that I'm blowing on cool air because I don't want to sweat. And then once it's dry enough, I'm going to tie the hair up and then put on my headband. I left the headband, I hit myself in the eye. I left the headband for 15 minutes, but a little bit more than 15 minutes. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and put on some of this BioSilk all over the hair. This is going to make it nice and silky so I can curl it, and it's going to be nice. I'm trimming off the ends. You could do a little bit more than this, but I'm going to trim it again at the end. So once I'm doing the curls, I'm going to trim it. So here I just sectioned it in 2. I'm going to work on that side. Oh, I think I'm actually going to do my makeup. That's why I did this. Yes, I did. So now I'm taking off the headband and I'm going to do my edges. So now I'm trimming it again, and this is my actual trimming routine. I sectioned that off by my ear, and I'm going to trim it in a downwards motion like this, so it kind of gets a layered look, but without cutting out too much of the hair because I don't want it to look thin. I want it to get body. So look, I'm cutting it like this, so it's still thick, but it's layered. Now I'm going to start curling the hair. Very self-explanatory, but I'm going to just talk you through it a bit. I'm curling it away from my face, so you can see I'm curling away and down. And I'm going to do this all over the head. Well, all over my head. I'm using the Extra Hold Tresemme hairspray. And make sure you use this because this is the only way that the curls will last.
Shawty, you get the best of me. Whatever's left of us. Strikes the left and last of us. Everything red on me. Stretching it. You get the best of me. Anything else you want, say deep. I give you the best of me.
I wanted to do some natural light baby hairs. So I was gonna just leave it like this, but I felt like my face was looking so bald and I really don't like the no edges look on myself. I like it on other people, but I just don't like it on me. So I started taking out some of the sideburn areas and I wanted the sideburn areas to stay long. So I just did it like this, and then I use my little comb, like my little edge brush to take it out, and then I cut it down with the little razor, and I'm using this pencil flat iron just to straighten it out, and it looks so freaking cute. But I just didn't like how bald my freaking forehead was looking, so I was like trying to see if I really wanted to do edges, but I didn't want it to be dramatic. I wanted it to be natural because the hair is just giving natural, effortless. I decided to take a little bit out from the perimeter of the hairline, just like this, and then I used some of that hairspray to kind of like push it down onto my skin. And then I used the pencil flat iron to flatten it out, cut it down like normal, curl it going upwards. Did that to the other side. And then I just gently use the edge brush to kind of softly brush it down. I don't know, this just gave like a supernatural look. It looks very effortless. So it's not like just blunt, you know, like blunt bald head, blunt bald forehead, but it's like really natural. So if you want like a more natural look, but you don't really like baby hairs, I recommend that you do it this way because it still gives it a natural, soft, you know, mature look, but not the crazy baby hairs. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys check out Remy Forte. I'll have the links down below for this wig. This full lace wig, super beautiful. If you're going to try out this nice and natural, soft baby hair look, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in my next video.
Shawty, you get the best of me.